Good morning, students. Today we are going to start book exercise of chapter 19, Sources of History. In this chapter, we have learned about meaning of history, difference between history and prehistory, sources of history and importance of history. Today we will learn book exercise of chapter 19, Sources of History. Now let's start. First is dash in the study of the past. Answer is history. History is the study of the past. Next, dash studies the events of the past. Historian studies the event of the past. Students, you have only understand. I will send answer key of book exercise on school app. Third is dash is the time when people did not know how to write. Right answer is prehistory. Right answer is prehistory. Fourth is dash is the time in the past since the invention of writing. History. History is the time in the past since the invention of writing. Fourth is things that tell us about the past are called sources of history. Things that tell us about the past are called sources of history. Next, match column A with column B. First is study of the past. Study of the past, history. Study of the past, history. No written records, prehistory. No written records, prehistory. Third is ancient, medieval and modern history. Division of history. Division of history. Divided into three periods: ancient, medieval and modern. Fourth is utensils. Sources of history. Next, historian. Historian studies the past. True or false? History is the study of the present. This statement is false. History is the study of the past. Second, historians tell us about the lives of people in earlier times. This statement is true. Next, history is further divided into ancient, medieval and modern. This statement also true. Next, we have a lot of written records for the period of prehistory. This is false. We have a lot of written record for the period of prehistory. This is false. Next, history tells us about the importance of certain time dates. This is also false. This is also false. Thank you, students.